Hi there and welcome back. Today I'm collaborating with my friends over at Viva Naturals and showing you some of their products that I'll be using in upcoming recipes. Okay, so I'll just get into this and then show you a closer look at each product. This company is on Amazon for those who have Amazon Prime. This is their organic cocoa powder, and I can't wait to do up some recipes using this. I have a growing baking section on the blog, so this is going to be used for making cookies as well as dessert ideas. And I already have a really good recipe that I'm working on for cocoa snack bites, so this is going to be perfect for that. And then they also sent some hand-picked goji berries. Lately, I've been seeing these in many recipes, and I'll be making an overnight oats recipe with these. There's also a blog post on ways that you can use goji berries on the blog, and I'll leave all of these links in the description for you. If you haven't tried goji berries before, they have a really nice chewy bite to them that's fantastic in granola recipes and for toppings on salads and yogurt bowls. So good. As I'm opening up these cocoa nibs, the aroma is just amazing. These have such a fresh scent, like, oh my gosh, so good. Look at how big and chunky. You can use them for breakfast toppings or blend it into your smoothie bowls. They would also be good for adding to homemade trail mix. And I was really excited to get in their Maca powder. I've never used this ingredient before, and I'm looking forward to showing you some new recipes using this, so please keep watch for those. So that's my haul from Viva Naturals. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll be in touch with some recipes to try with these ingredients. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you again soon.